In today's video, I will walk you through how to find the best crypto exchanges on CoinGecko. Most people look at price charts, but today we'll look at derivatives data. I'll show you how to use CoinGecko to audit the derivative infrastructure of major exchanges so you can spot risks before you commit your capital. On the CoinGecko navigation menu, head to the Exchanges drop-down and select Derivatives. You'll land on a leaderboard that looks different from the standard spot exchange rankings. This page is specifically designed to show you where the big money is flowing. You'll see a list of exchanges ranked primarily by open interest, II. What is open interest? Think of it as the total skin in the game. It's the total value of all active, unsettled contracts on a platform. When you see high OI, it means there is massive capital committed to that exchange. High OI generally provides tighter spreads and better execution for your orders. Don't just look at the rank, use the columns to perform a quick audit. 24-hour trading volume. Compare this against open interest. If an exchange has huge volume but low OI, it might be a sign of high-frequency bot trading or synthetic volume. Perpetual versus futures pairs. Look at the number of pairs offered. If you're trading exotic alts, ensure the exchange isn't just offering vanilla BTC to ETH contracts. Year, established, and country. In my investigative work, this is the first thing I check. Does the exchange have a multi-year track record? Where are they incorporated? A lack of historical data or a shady jurisdiction is often a red flag. To wrap up, prioritize high-trust scores, look for consistent 24-hour volume, and always cross-reference the exchange's URL with the one listed on CoinGecko to keep your funds safe. You can use this page to get a closer look at the exchange's activity and available products. If you're comparing multiple exchanges, you can go back to the main derivatives rankings page and open several exchange pages one at a time to review them individually. And that's how to view derivatives exchanges on CoinGecko.